If your Ford Ranger's four-cylinder engine is refusing to fire up, don't panic. The solution is usually simpler than you think. Statistically, almost half of all no-start conditions on these trucks trace back to simple battery or terminal corrosion issues. Let's break down the diagnostic process so you can find the root cause without spending a fortune at the shop. Start with safety first by engaging the parking brake, then check your battery voltage and listen for the fuel pump hum. The Ranger's ignition coil packs are notorious for cracking, which prevents the spark from reaching your cylinders. Check the inertia switch in the passenger footwell. A hard bump can trigger it and cut off your fuel supply. Rapid clicking points to an electrical drain, while an engine that cranks but won't start usually has a fuel or timing issue. Repairs range from a $15 relay to a more expensive fuel pump replacement if the tank needs to be dropped. Use an OBD-I scanner to look for pending codes that could reveal a faulty sensor or security system lockout. You only need a basic socket set and a multimeter to perform most of these diagnostic tests yourself. Always remember that clean connections are the foundation of a reliable starting system on these older Rangers. Check those terminals and that inertia switch first, and you'll likely be back on the road in no time.